Plenty of today's drugs for common illnesses such as statins are nothing more than perilous poisons freed upon a trusting population. We are informed through the media that cholesterol is bad and many plunge into their doctor's offices to get statins to lower our numbers, yet we do not know that cholesterol is necessary in our bodies, and quite beneficial. This phenomenon is evident by the indisputable fact that in 2005, statin sales were $22.6 billion, more than all of professional sports. Bone drugs are another comparatively new prescription. They work by killing osteoclasts, which are the cells responsible for removing bone. These drugs have been shown to extend bone density, but the matrix of the bone is compromised and thus deformed. Bone-building nutriments, for example calcium, magnesium, vitamins D and K, protein, boron, manganese, and silica, are seldom debated with patients, a lot less prescribed. A major threat to our health liberty is underway, very similar to what's happened to the Germans under the Nazi regime. Codex Alimentarius is a United Countries group that is positioning itself to have worldwide control of food and vitamin standards. The formation of the Planet Trade Organization, WTO, in 1995 has given Codex power where there had been none before, in that people who don't stick to their directives will have trade limitations imposed on them. These are the same companies that helped Nazi-dominated IG Farben years ago. The FDA aim is to eliminate effective nutritional reinforcement as a health option, fully aligning with German-designed worldwide laws. Codex doesn't want to eliminate additions, only those strong enough to be useful. The firms who mass-market multiple vitamins made of cheap products that have no benefit on the body or on our health stand to gain the most, as they are going to be the ones in a position to monopolize the industry. They all view high-quality nutritional supplements as a threat because they are a bona fide health option that work to prevent sickness and can actually restore health. Drug corporations stand to lose lots of cash to this industry. An energized and healthy population, thanks to natural supplements, would not be almost as simple to manage through fear as would a sick, illness, and drugged one. USA citizens must stand up for their rights. They must become more engaged in the world around them, more mindful of their rights and more suspicious of the alternative motives of those in power. We must work to make sure that bills like the Dietary and Supplement Health and Education Act, DSHEA, and Ron Paul's, RTX, HR. The issue must be on the forefront of everybody's mind during election time. We are puny now, but we will be powerful. Instead of being self-absorbed, acting just when things appear to personally and instantly affect us, we must start to help others now. We must stand up for our rights and freedoms. Start practicing this now. When in the doctor's office, ask if your medication is authorized by the FDA for the use that is being suggested. If it isn't, ask if she or he is ready to sign a paper placing legal responsibility on them should something go wrong. Ask how long you're expected to stay medicated, and what alternative options may be available. Ask how you can fix what is wrong with your body the medicine is placing a band-aid on, and don't accept generic answers. Be wary of people who get offended, and when you find a doctor that actually cares about finding the base cause and fixing it, consider yourself lucky and stick with them.